Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna to cover some basics of technical analysis. Lot of people get in mind that technical analysis, as they listen the technical analysis word, they get in mind that candlestick patterns, candlestick types, and no, we are going to cover everything in step by step in this particular basics of technical analysis playlist. So in this video we're gonna to cover the four phases of a price, like it go to accumulation, distribution, advancing, and declining. What are these? We're gonna to see on the live chat, and as well as we are also going to discuss about support and resistance, and fake breakouts and fake breakdowns, and also bull trap, bear trap, and along with that, what is trend and what is retracement, pullback, and reversal. So we are going to cover all these basics in this video. So in order to not to miss this entire course, if you want to become an independent trader, then this playlist gonna to help you and change your trading career. So if you don't want to miss like these videos, then consider subscribing our channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Yes guys, this is Tata Motors chart and we are in the weekly time frame, and you can see at particular after, you can consider this as support, but you can see we are also going to talk about that. But here sellers got high power compared to the buyers, so we have selling pressure here and the price is declined, means we got a selling pressure is more here, so the price got declined. So this type of situation called price decline. And after a fall, after a price decline, this Tata Motor went to a consolidation. The consolidation is called as price accumulation. This price is accumulating within this bond, within this particular box, or you can also call it as some range. So this is called price accumulation. After the accumulation, we have both the chances, either it can give a breakout or breakdown. It completely depends upon the investor's interest. For example, let's say after the price accumulation, if it posted a good results or some good news of this particular Tata Motor have released, so it will start again to break this range, and smart buyers or investors show interest, and it will again go advancing. Like, this is called advancing, this is price advancing. And same case after a rally, either this is called, we usually call drop, this is called we rally. After a drop or after a rally, we usually get a consolidation. But here, after a drop, after a price drop, we get a consolidation, that's called as price accumulation. After a raise, we get a consolidation, which is called as price distribution. And again in the price distribution also, we have both the chances. Like, if it want to continue the rally, we get a good breakout like this, and again price continues its direction, or else it usually break and it's get to the lower side. So this is overall price structure. These are the four phases we see regularly. We can also develop some strategies using this. So end of this particular series, you are also going to see some strategies, and we are also going to see some advanced level concept using these basic concepts. So my intention, as I promised you, I want to guide you from the scratch level. So I am even focusing small concepts, so that a beginner can also reach that advanced level concepts freely in the YouTube. So now I hope you understood this, or else you can just go back and watch the video again. And the next concept is support and resistance. So before starting, I would like to say you this is just an introduction video where I want to give you the basic introduction to the topics, and we have a dedicated videos on each concept which are we discussing. Example, support and resistance have a dedicated video, and we are going to discuss in this particular playlist itself. So nothing to worry much, but let me say you what is support and resistance. Let me start with the support. Support is nothing but after a strike rally, or like let's say this particular SBIN from 412 to it have went to 440, but again when it come to this range, the investors thought this is a good demand level and this is a good price for this SBIN. So they thought and they started again adding some quantity, and again it moved up to 441, and again you can see we got a fake breakout, and again again it came back to the support. So this support is nothing but where the peoples or investors are showing interest to buy. It's just like a demand zone. He whenever the stock or script come to this particular support, the buyers will take over the sellers, and the buyers will start acquiring this particular script or particular stock or company. So this is called support, and this is called resistance. So what is resistance? When the script or one company stock come to resistance level, then the buyers think like it is overvalued, so the sellers think this is the overvalued and they take the steering of the stock. So from there we see the rejection and it will again move to the support level. So up to which time it will move like this? Like until and unless we get some news for this, it will, what is this? Like just before we have discussed, if you see, before we got a price advancing, you can see same like this, and we got a price distribution here. So this is called price distribution. So in the price distribution, these are the support and this is the resistance. So resistance is something where the sellers are more interested to sell rather than buy. So this is called resistance. So one more thing you have to remember that, like, the price will move in this particular range until and unless we get some smart investors invest in this. So how can we find smart investors invested? So we can confirm that by seeing the volume, and we have a dedicated video on the volume itself. And if you have not yet watched the volume analysis, you can just watch this video, volume plus price analysis, to improve your trading. So if you watch this entire video, you get all the knowledge about the volume and you will know which is the proper breakout and which is not. I hope you understood support and resistance. And one more thing you have to understand is, once the resistance level breaks, like you can see here the resistance level have been breaked, and after that it can act as a support. You can see even till the latest swing it acted as a support. You can see continuously taken the support, and in the similar way if the support gets breakdown, then it can act as a resistance. So simple, make sure you note this. I have also given this chart in my Telegram channel. You can see, you can see just now I posted the telegram in the Telegram channel. The Indus Trader is a Telegram channel where I post lot of educational content here. I also share my daily view through the audio messages. I can also show you that. So I usually share this. So if you also want to see, sometimes we have a very short updates, like don't carry any BTST, because just in the just Friday I have mentioned don't carry BTST because we have 4 weighted stock results on Saturday as well as Sunday. So like these small messages we cannot upload a video for that. So that type of quick updates we usually give in the Telegram. So I highly recommend you to join the Telegram channel to get the instant updates about trading and stock market related. So I hope you understand the support as well as resistance. Now let's speak about fake breakout. So what is fake breakout? before that we have to speak what is breakout and what is breakdown. Like in a range, let's say it's the distribution range, right? So in a range, we there are two possibilities. If this range breaks on the top side, we call it as breakout, and if this range breaks down, we call this as breakdown. So these are the two terms you should learn. This is breakout and this is breakdown. So now what is fake breakout? So fake breakout, for that, if this range breaks and again come back to this range, this we usually call fake breakout. So how many type of fake breakouts we have? Why these fake breakouts happen? Because of traps. We have two types of traps. The one is bull trap and the second one is bear trap. So what is bull trap? You can see this is the range, and the range is broken with a green bullish candle, and thereafter it came back to the same range. This particular candle is called as bull trap. Similarly, we can also see the bear traps. Let me also show you the bear traps. See, this is the example of the bear trap. Very simple example, like this is acting as a support, and you can see here also we got a bear trap, and here also we got a bear trap. But here if you see, we have a wick and we have a rejection, we might have avoided. But here you can see we got a proper closing below this level, and again market travel SBI and again went back to this particular range, bigger range, or you can also say it taken the support of this level. So here we got bear trap, here we got bear trap, and you can see here we got bull trap. So that's the reason you have a lot to learn in this. In this particular, you can take the screenshot as well, or else you can just go to the Indus Trader Telegram channel, and I have posted this. You can check here. This is resistance, this is support, and you can see here we got a bull trap, and here we got a bear trap. So mark everything like this and save the screenshot, which will help you a lot. So now coming to, let me also show you one more thing we usually use in the markets, that is sustain. I hope you have listened. If we get the breakout and sustain, if we get breakdown and sustain. Sustain in the word is nothing but, let's say this is X, this is one support level, and the market or the CDSL stock is sustaining above this support level. So the sustain is nothing but making some consolidation or spending some time above that particular levels or below that particular levels is called as sustaining. And I hope you have understood now what is fake breakout, what is bull trap, what is bear trap, and what is sustaining. So now let's move to the other topic, that is pullback or retracement or reversal. We usually we usually use this terminology in the trendy market. So what is retracement? All of you have known this because I already made a video on this, but still I want to revise you that. Let's say what is this trend? This is in the uptrend. So we are going to get a dedicated video after this video in this channel on the trend. So this is in the uptrend. How can you say that? Because Reliance is making higher highs and higher lows. So how can we say that? Very simple. This is low, this is high, this is higher low, and this is higher high. Similarly, this is higher low, this is higher high. Just compare the previous low. This low is higher than this, and this low is higher than its previous low. So it is completely in the uptrend. Uptrend is nothing but when the trend is forming, when that particular swings are forming higher lows and higher highs. So here this is called impulse move, and we usually call it as pullback or retracement. And this is impulse and this is pullback or retracement. So here pullback or retracement is nothing but in a trend. Let's say someone invested here at 2019 rupees, and if it get back to 2727, Let's see how much points it have carried, almost like 600 points. After 600 points he usually book his profit, we usually get profit booking. So after that again it come back to some level, and from there again we get the impulse move. So this is the trend concept, and I have explained you this in the previous videos as well. Still, if you have any doubts regarding the trend, like uptrend or downtrend, you can just, I have made a dedicated video for that. Not the dedicated video, this is also a basic terminology video where I have explained in the chats. You can see uptrend, and let me play the video. Market rallies like that, we call it impulse, and when it gets, it's called correction. So this is the uptrend. You can easily, by seeing with the naked eye, you can identify it. Nothing to worry. By the end of this course you can identify, you will identify with the naked eye. Nothing to worry about it. And this, coming to this. Yes, yes, I have explained everything. You can see here. Just if I go back, I have explained the downtrend, and I have explained the sideways, uptrend, downtrend, sideways. Just click on this video, and you will get. I will leave this video in the end screen as well as iCards. Even just you go and check out that, you will get all the details about how to do that. So even we have discussed about how to calculate this retracement in the Fibonacci series. We are also going to come to that. But as of now, this is the video. Hope you liked the video, guys. Until then, we are signing off. Jai Hind.